Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Kershaw Clash Pocket Knife. This knife is top choice for an affordable, all-purpose, utility, powerful Kershaw knife. The Clash series of knives is a 3-inch blade just right for tackling almost any task. Attack boxes, heavy plastic or rope with the big bellied blade with just the slightest hint of recurve to improve slicing without being hard to resharpen. The Clash opens with speed-safe assisted opening for safe and secure one-handed blade deployment. Thanks to the ambidextrous flipper, both left and right-handed users can put the Clash's awesomeness and toughness straight to work. Textured glass-filled nylon handle scales offer a solid grip with gentle contour and comfortable in-hand feel. Closed length 4.25 inch. Drop point, partially serrated blade is perfect for tackling everyday tasks like opening cardboard boxes, cutting rope, stripping wire and more. Feature-rich handle includes speed-safe assisted opening, built-in flipper, secure locking liner and convenient reversible pocket clip. Speed. Safe assisted opening offers smooth and easy one-handed opening by simply pulling back on the flipper. A secure locking liner provides safe and solid blade lockup, and a reversible pocket clip allows convenient, user-adjustable carry. As with all Kershaw knives, the Clash is built with the precision, fit and finish users expect. Our second best hunting knife is Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. The survival knife is made of stainless steel for excellent hardness, improved edge retention and rust resistance. Survival knife's clip point blade features saw back, black anodize, ideal for camping expeditions, survival training or military combating. Classic rubber handle of survival knife provides high friction and comfortable non-slip grip for use. Durable heavy-duty nylon sheath with easy open fastening system and belt hanging system for easy and safe carry. Ultra-sharp combat knife, stronger than any hunting knife or Bowie knife. Overall length is 15 inch, blade length is 10 inch, thickness is 5 by 32 inch, weight is 16.8 ounces. Selected high-quality stainless steel and black finished coated, sharp and durable, wear resistant, high hardness. The handle is made of high-quality TPR rubber, provides high friction grip, making the knife comfortable to hold and easy to handle, non-slip design. This equipped with a magnesium sticks for this hunting knife, which can easily solve the problem of using fire for outdoor survival. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Knife. The Buck Model 110 is an iconic hunting knife that is functional, versatile, and very strong. The razor-sharp clip point blade provides plenty of cutting power, while the folding design makes it convenient to carry. Easy to open with a nail notch on the blade. The lockback mechanism locks the blade open for reliable strength and safety while you work. Closed length 4 to 7/8 inch, weight 7.2 ounces. Classic handle and brass bolsters provide a perfect combination of beauty and balance. The 110 Folding Hunter, after 50 years, is still one of America's best-selling knives, and one that's handed down from generation to generation. Includes a genuine high-quality protective leather sheath with snap fastener. The integrated belt loop allows for safe and secure carry on your belt for easy access. The 110 is perfect as a hunting companion or for general outdoor use. A drop-point hunting knife's sturdy design means it's usually wide, which is ideal for tasks like disjointing and prying. Drop-point blades are also generally short and allow for precise cutting. Number 4 in our best hunting knife list is Spring Tactical Knife. The blade of the folding knife is made of 440 stainless steel, unpretentious, good quality blade material and sharp like a razor. Steel 440C with high quality thermal treatment is able to quite decently keep grinding. Sharpening such kind of steel is quite simple. Semi-automatic device, it is absolutely another movement in knife industry. Another important advantage, even in case of spring breakage, this cool knife retains its absolute functionality, and you can continue using it as a classic pocket knife. The knife is new and may be a little bit stiff out of the box. We recommend you to apply some oil to the axial screw for better operation. Knife with folding spring-assisted opening blade and pocket clip has a simple and reliable liner lock that is resistant to dirt and prevents unexpected closure. Equipped with the thumb studs for right and left hand use. Camping etc. hiking backpack bushcrafting, hunting, and fishing, military and army needs, outdoor and DIY activities, survival, self-defense, emergencies. Excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance ensures proper operation without sharpening. Provides razor-sharp cutting performance and high durability. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Spyderco hunting knife. The Bow River is an expression of custom knifemaker Phil Wilson's incredibly popular custom knife design specifically geared toward budget-conscious adventurers. Spyderco fixed blade knives offer the same performance you expect from our groundbreaking folding knives. Proudly crafted for life with highly evolved ergonomics to minimize fatigue and increase cutting power. This compact, all-purpose design features a full flat ground, trailing point blade crafted from 8cr 13-move stainless steel. The blade is paired with a contoured, ergonomic handle made with layered black and gray G10. Ideally suited for survival, camping, and other demanding applications, the Bow River includes a complete with a high-quality leather sheath. This compact, all-purpose design features a full flat ground, trailing point blade crafted from 8cr 13-move stainless steel. The blade is paired with a contoured, ergonomic handle made with layered black and gray G10. Complete with a high-quality leather sheath, the Bow River offers exceptional design and performance.